This is BirdNote. Strident calls of seabirds fill the salty air at Palmyra Atoll, 1,000 miles south of Hawaii in the South Pacific. The atoll is a ring-shaped island encircling a lagoon. The island rests atop an extinct undersea volcano, its surface densely covered with trees and other plants. Living coral reefs lie nearby just below the ocean's surface. Black Noddies and red-footed Boobies fly above the trees that they nest and roost in, a rainforest tree called Grand Devil's Claws. There's a mutual relationship between the trees, the nesting seabirds, and the outlying coral. The birds' guano falls from the trees, enriching the soil. Rain washes nutrients from the guano into the ocean, enhancing the health of the coral ecosystem, which in turn supports the seabirds. Palmyra Atoll lost many native trees due to U.S. military activity during World War II. Invasive rats wreaked havoc on the island's wildlife, but it's now a nature conservancy preserve set within a national wildlife refuge. Conservationists eradicated the rats, and they're restoring the rainforest to strengthen the fruitful marriage of seabirds, rainforest, and reef. For BirdNote, I'm Mary McCann.